Hello, I wanted to show you this small game I just was working on, and it's written in Rust and it's using Ncurse's library. It's the classic Space Invader game. So yeah, let me show you actually what is that. So if I run this, so you see I have this grid of enemies. I'm planning to make them move around and also be able to shoot stuff, but that's for later. I'm just working on this for a few hours. And yeah, let me shoot some guys. So you see we can hit enemies, and it's actually pretty fast, faster than I thought it would be. And actually I think that you can do many stuff using Ncurse's library. It's a really powerful thing that is available. And if I just kill the last one, you see that it says you won, nice job. There's still no way, of course, that you can lose in this game because enemies won't shoot you, but I will add that later. So yeah, I just want to demo this. I thought it was gonna be fun and exciting to see that you can actually write games that just run in terminal. And I will probably do some recordings on how to create something like this in future. But for now, that's it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you and goodbye.